Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing really well. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Adity and today I'm going to recreate Deepika Padukone's Cannes 2019 makeup look, and this is how my trial looks like. Now, she looks stunning in that bold liner, but to be honest, I look like a typical serial wali villain. But anyways, if you want to know how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So to start off, I will be mimicking Deepika's straight brows. She carried a very lifted sort of brows to the carpet. I will try and copy that. You guys definitely need not to do this step. You can just follow the natural shape of your brows. I just wanted to completely imitate it. So first of all, I just glued my brows till the arc of my eyebrows, like from the arc of my eyebrows, and then I powdered it with ADS banana powder. And next I will be using a full coverage foundation. This is the LA Colours Pro Matte Foundation and it is a full coverage foundation. And if you are doing this step, then make sure you are using a full coverage foundation to cover the hairs of your brows, because we Indians naturally have a darker hair. So use a full coverage foundation if you are doing this step. Take your time with this step. It might look a bit messy right now, but once you apply the foundation and complete your entire makeup, then it will all come together in place. And yeah, once you start looking like a half eyebrowed Chinese man, then you can stop. Alright, so next I will be applying the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation in the shade Desert Beige, and I will be mixing it with my face oil, that is Levana 24K serum, for that luminous skin-like finish. Next, for my brows, I'm first mapping my brows with Miss Clear eyebrow pencil, and then I'll be filling and darkening it with APK brown gel liner. Now for my eyelids, I'm going to take this Miss Clear single eyeshadow. This is in the number 0215. It is a light brown color and I'm just going to apply it as a wash of color all over my lids. Now to highlight my face, I'm going to take this LA Colours Truly Matte Foundation. This is in the shade Natural, and Deepika had a very highlighted features, so I'm using this foundation. This is also very full coverage and this is what I used to cover my hair of my brows. So yeah, I am applying it under my eyes, around my mouth, on my chin, on my forehead and on the bridge of my nose. Then I'm going to set the highlighted areas into place with the help of the Fit Me Compact Powder. This is in the shade 220 Natural Beige, and I'm only setting those areas which I have applied concealer on. Now comes the most difficult part, and that is the eyeliner. So first of all, I'm taking this Lakme Shine line and I'm going to map out my liner. I'm just drawing the outlines of my liner and I will fill it in later with the help of a sketch liner, because the tip of this particular liner is very fine, so it will take me ages if I go on to fill with this. Okay, so now when you're doing your liner, make sure you are not in a hurry. Be patient, have food, ensure that you have a steady hands, practice and a fine tip liner, because honestly this was the most difficult part of this look. Also, the liner which you currently see me using is the Malio Blackart Bombshell liquid sketch eyeliner, and I am going to thicken my eyeliner and I'm also going to fill it in with this one. And then I'm going to move on to my kajal, and the kajal which I'm using is the Lakme Iconic Kajal. I'm going to apply it on my waterline and also I'm going to tightline with this. For my mascara, I'm going to take the Vatenn Italy 4 Effects mascara and I'm lightly going to coat my upper and lower lashes with it just to give it some color. But I will also be using false lashes, and the false lashes which I'm using is by Rufa Beauty in the variant Faris, and I will just apply it and come right back. Next, I'm again taking the same Miss Clear single eye shadow, and this time I'm going to use it as a bronzer just to sculpt my face a little. She did not had a highly contoured face, but she had really heavy blush. So yeah, I'm just going to apply it on the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, and also a little bit on my nose and forehead. Then for my highlighter, I'm using the Wet n Wild Megalow highlighter. This is in the variant Precious Petal. This is such a blinding highlighter, and Deepika too had a very glowy and highlighted face. I think she had highlighter all over her face, especially her forehead. It was beaming, and also on her like cheekbones. So yeah, that is what I am doing. I also totally forgot to apply blush, so I am applying the blush, and the blush which I took is the Vatenn Italy blush in the shade Deep Rose. She had a very heavy blush going on, so that is what I'm replicating. And also I applied the highlighter on my usual areas, actually not so usual. I have applied the highlighter on my forehead, below the arc of my brows, and my cheekbones, my bridge of the nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and yeah. Then finally for my lipstick, I'm going to take Vatenn Italy Super Stay lip crayon. This is in the shade 414 Love Bite. It is a beautiful peachy pink color, and yeah, so I'm going to apply it on my lips. So yeah, that is my finished look. Do let me know in the comment section below how you like the video and how you like the look, and also subscribe for more, and I will see you super soon in my next video. Until then, take care, bye.